Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another video. Today I am going to show again another Bitcoin graphs and chart. So let's start. If I go to the on hour chart, you can see the graph is going to up, and even going to the 2 hour chart, it, it's going to up in the market. So if I go into the 4 hour chart, last 4 hour is going to up, and if I go to the on day chart, you can see the graph chart is going to up. It's clear, last on day is going to up, and if we see the on week chart, look, these graphs are going to up. So I think if I go to the 1 hour chart or on day chart, look, the graph chart hot hot going on. Look, this graph chart. I think this one and this graph going to this one. So I think everybody understands what I mean. These graph chart may be going to last 4 months or 2 months going to up. Now I show the on Bitcoin to USD. Look, today's Bitcoin update is on Bitcoin is equal to 39,113.60 USD. I think you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.